Hello everyone, let's learn how to remove all friends on Snapchat. Are you looking to start fresh on Snapchat or simply want to clean up your friends list? Look no further. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to remove all friends on Snapchat. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Snapchat app on your device. After that, go on your profile by tapping on little icon of your profile in top right corner of the screen. Then scroll a little down to find My Friends option and click on it. Now on this list you can all your friends on Snapchat. Snapchat still has no option to remove all your friends at once, so you can manually remove friends one by one. You will do that on this way. Go long press the person you want to remove, and then click on Manage Friendship, and next tap on Remove Friend, and confirm it. So if you want to remove all your friends, follow my steps. Go back to your profile, and click on little settings icon in top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down to go on Support section, and go on I Need Help option. After that, FO on search bar, and type Delete. Next, go on option How do I delete my Snapchat account? In my case that is second option. Then scroll down where is written Accounts Portal with blue letters, and press on it. For now this is only option to remove all your friends. You need to delete account and then create a new one with 0 friends, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.